go, guys. I am on my way to the airport to fly out to Montana. Go hunt some coyotes and Philip over at Silent AM Suppressor. I'll be able to finally knock Montana off the list. Alright guys, it is day 2 up here in Montana. I got Philip over here with me. We are heading out. We're gonna go try and figure some coyotes out. Last night we struggled a little bit. We called in lots of coyotes, but we just couldn't get them to break that 700-yard mark. They just never seemed interested. We tried super heavy calling, we tried really passive calling, we tried every prey distress we could think of, and just nothing responded very well. We finally got into a group of coyotes, about 7 of them, and got them to finally challenge howl back and forth to us, and we ended up moving in on them, what, twice?
Twice.
Yeah, 2 times ended up moving in on them, and we kind of gave up, and then they started challenging, burger barking back at us, and so we decided to give it one more go and moved in on them. Stood up and I scanned over and saw one kind of coming around to backdoor us, and so we were getting set up on him. He was about 200 yards, and then all of a sudden we hear a scream right behind us, like 50 yards
Where we were facing.
where we were facing. Yeah, she would have been dead the minute we saw her if we were facing the same way. But anyway, so we both hurried and pivoted, got on her and double tapped her. Unfortunately, I thought I got it on film, but I don't think I did. So we're gonna try again tonight. We're gonna go hit a new ranch that we have access to. Gonna try some little bit similar tactics. We're gonna try and piss them off a little bit tonight. If we need to move in on them even tighter. They were almost lethargic last night. We don't know if we did get a little cold spell coming through here. So hopefully they're hungry tonight, they're moving, they're active, and be able to get some on film for you. So we will keep you in the loop. I'll show you some pictures of the coyote we got last night right here, and we'll let you know how it goes tonight. Good job.